Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rydell, or 9 miles east of Freeport, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wenatchee around 6:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Dakota, Rock City, Davis, Rock Grove, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The following is a